Hi you guys, hope you're having a great day today. Thank you for joining me for my lunch meal prep video for this week. If you haven't joined me before, my name is Molly and I do weekly breakfast and lunch meal prep videos. They're always super easy and really healthy as well. So this week I'm going to make a shrimp stir fry. I will put the recipe for it in the description box if you want to make this one. So I have raw shrimp. I bought it frozen, so I have it defrosted now. I have already cut up vegetables. That's what makes this so easy. The veggies are ready to go. It's a stir fry mix. And I'm going to make the sauce with soy sauce, honey. I have ground ginger and minced up garlic. So I'm going to put this in a wok on the stove. I have some sesame oil that I'm going to use, and this will be really delicious. I'll show you how I cook it in the wok. If you don't have a wok, they're really great for stir fries. I will link the one that I have in the description. I got it on Amazon. So I will show you how I cook the shrimp and the veggies. For the sauce for the shrimp, I have half a cup of low sodium soy sauce. I'm going to pour that over the shrimp. I have 1/3 of a cup of honey. And then I'm going to next put in 1 teaspoon of ground ginger and also 1 teaspoon of minced up garlic. So it's going to be about 2 cloves if you're going to mince the garlic yourself. So I'm going to stir that all together and let it sit for a few minutes before I get it cooking on the wok. Alright, I have my wok heated on the stove. I'm going to use my sesame oil, about 2 tablespoons. I'm going to pour it into the wok and I'm going to let it heat for a minute. Once it's heated up, I'm going to add in the raw shrimp. So I'm going to pour that in with the sauce. And I'm going to let it cook for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side. So once it cooks for about a minute, I'm going to flip them over and we'll be ready to put our veggies in. Alright, I'm going to flip each shrimp over and so that the other side gets cooked and they're nice and tasty with all the sauce. So now I'm going to pour in the already chopped up veggies for the stir fry. I have broccoli in there, carrots, some string beans, and this is perfect for a stir fry. So I'm going to let it sit in there, and I'm also going to put the lid on after I stir it for a little bit and get it coated with the sauce. So I'm going to put the lid on for a couple minutes so that the veggies can steam and get cooked all the way through. Now that the stir fry is done, I'm going to let it cool for a little bit before I portion it into my meal prep containers. Alright, so the shrimp stir fry is all done and it is cooled. I'm going to portion it into my meal prep containers. And like I said, I'm going to have the recipe for this in the description box. So I'm going to portion it out and our lunch will be ready to go for this week. Alright, so the shrimp stir fry is portioned out, ready to go for lunch for each day this week. It was super easy to make and it's going to be really delicious, so check the description box for the recipe. And thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to click subscribe so you don't miss my other weekly breakfast and lunch meal preps. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.